my days, and I'll go along with everything you say. But I ride home, laugh, and look at me now, but the walls of my town, they come crumbling down. And my ears hear the call of my unborn sons, and I know that choice is color all I've done. But I'll explain it all to the watchman's son, and I never let year better spent in love. I know my weakness, know my voice. I believe in grace and joy. I know perhaps my heart is sparse, and I'll be going without a mask. Like the city that nurses my greed and my pride, I stretch my arms into the sky. I cry, Babel, Babel, look at me now, but the walls of my town, they come crumbling down. You ask where we will stand and the winds that will howl, there's always he will slip into the clouds. So come down from your mountains and stand where we've been. You know our breath is weak and our body's thin. Press my nose up to the glass around your heart. I should have known that I was weaker from the start. You build your walls and I will play my bloody part. Tear him down. Well, I'm gonna tear them down. 'Cause I know my weakness, know my voice.